Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80244022 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to delete the contents of the software distribution folder. Now I have a script here. All you need to do is copy and paste the script from the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter 5 times at least to make sure that that all the commands till the last one is executed. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.